Fire ni enchemu ewo gumua na okopiemu ewo gumua westa abaya na emusini owo mpotem ho na emu nsem no enso ewo ho ansa na NDC amanyuko no titene ya oneda o ma no Samra Meka say police fire ne pechi ni nyina da ene say yes wadi ni pa bi anim amoma kwaye de ni kwan so omoye enyambra nsem a ewo se emra ene omudi se de se ne fatadum TV ka say yabobram ye de nchemu bro.
Samanfo beka ye adom kase di nkan abo amane se ebra na MPP amanyokuo etitaifo ebie drip mfidi a wode koma agomwa Westmansini no ano no ani samanyokuo wonom etitaifo ani MPP amanyokuo etitaifo edikosi ani na sansemi na abeku esien ya woye ani samanyokuo no emebunu dom frefo abedi akire edi ato police fo animu se wonom dwem tinani a wakakodi wonom asoe honom no wonom enyae no.
For the whole of yesterday, Commander Amba, he did not appear. Meka say, Nida, the minting work with the Teni, Oya Consul Chairman, and Haji Kasim, I was so, and then you and what the man Mazachi. Early in the morning, we went to the regional crime officer in the office to find out from him what is actually happening. What he told us, information is coming from the top there. It is beyond him. Order from above, unless he takes orders from the top there, that's the IGP, before he can go ahead with the release of the chairman. As we speak now, the chairman has not been charged with any offense. Until we don't even know why a chairman of the constituency is still being here that has been detained. It is a police, no, they can do us good, or the IGP, or the commander in charge, no, can do us good by telling us there. Ebi a chairman na Meka say why arrest no chairman na why arrest na body ten no ne bona why any ABCD, but as we speak now there hasn't been any communication from anywhere.
This amanyuko etitaifo bi a wonum ugumwa ene amani boni nkomo twetwe mu no wonum nso ede nsem bi atudwa.
And chairman say when you na wan ya de beko ene police free na beda office wo yankwa nda yankwa china enya brepa ene sfe nya bre o man say put on the boy and yankwa omu wonwa yankwa ya na betena ene police free na be watch my no mbeda ha so mo de chairman ma de na asundwumi e beko na so man fa man de ende e beda ha
yenyu abe yeah chairman onye boni biara ode when to sales Martin there some issues be about ode etu when kokot 24 hours ya kokot is the one to when kokot da one listen me yen ko fe another opere yen asa ya da ha ya bada ha wa bra police fun ya ho ha ya mal for